Welcome back, operatives. Let's cut through the noise and decode the enigma of the bull market. This isn't your typical investor optimism. It's the battleground where the sharp rise in stock and token prices reveals who truly understands the game. A bull market is a time when prices climb steadily over a prolonged period. The masses will tell you it's about optimism and future gains, but in truth, it's about positioning yourself for power. Prices rise like a bull's horn thrusting upwards, symbolizing an upward trajectory but also a brutal reality. The strong charge forward while the weak fall behind. Bull markets thrive when the economy seems stable, unemployment is low, and people spend without fear. Investors cling to hope, pushing prices higher and higher. But to those of us in the shadows, it's clear, this is the time to strike. Let the others celebrate. We are already preparing for what comes next. When do you know you're in a bull market? It's simple. When a stock market index or a token jumps by 20% or more. This is the polar opposite of the bear market, which we exploit to accumulate wealth. While the crowd panics in downturns, we bide our time, ready to flip the switch when prices surge. Recent history confirms it. Bitcoin saw its last major bull run from December 2023 to April 2024, a window of opportunity for those with foresight. But how do you predict the next surge? Here's how we decode it. 1. MVRVZ score. It's not just about price, it's about understanding the gap between market cap, what people think it's worth, and realized cap, what it's actually worth. When the market cap overshoots, it signals that the market is peaking. The Mayer multiple. This tells us if Bitcoin is overpriced, underpriced, or just right, giving us a fast way to gauge when to strike. Third NVT signal. We compare Bitcoin's total value to its 90-day average daily transactions. When Bitcoin is overvalued, the bull market is roaring. Undervalued? That's our cue to prepare for the next move. Shadow agents know the truth. Bull markets are just a piece of the puzzle. The real power lies in understanding when to move before the herd even notices the shift. Stay vigilant, stay ahead, and always act before the lights go out.